Hello everyone. Well, it was a warm one yesterday in southeast Nebraska, and it's still looking like a warm one for many today, but we are getting a cold front this afternoon that's going to cool things down, and it's going to bring us some much needed rain. Not as much as we need, but it's a start. Now, no rain for the morning commute today. Everyone going to be driving. Notice the rain right on our doorstep, and I do think the showers could start to push in for places like Columbus, York, around 11 a.m. This is going to be activity right ahead of the front. The front itself is actually going to work over us during the afternoon and early evening hours. So we're going to continue to warm up at 11 a.m. even in Columbus and York. And notice how most of the area is still going to be dry at 11 a.m. For places like Fremont and Lincoln, I'll begin the rain chance around 2 o'clock this afternoon because this is when the front is actually going to start pushing in. So these are our high temperatures today. In Columbus and York, the front now pushing in, so you're probably only going to top out in the low 70s today. Hebron probably making it to the upper 70s. For the rest of us, though, I think there's a good chance that we'll top out right around 80 degrees or maybe 83, 84 if you're in a place like Nebraska City or Fall City because you're going to be getting the front last. But I think most of us, low 80s is going to be coming, some in the upper 70s. But I do have to mention the exception if you're in Columbus or York, where you're probably only going to reach the low 70s this afternoon because the front will be arriving first for you. Now, as this front works over us, we're talking about a period of scattered showers, maybe a couple of thunderstorms, but it does look like mostly shower activity, and it's going to get breezy with gusts around 25 miles per hour along this front. So the front looks to be rolling into the Lincoln area right around, yes, unfortunately, 5 o'clock this afternoon. So for the homebound commute, right now it's looking like the best chance of rain is going to be in the Lincoln area, but there's also a chance of rain Omaha, Hebron. I've got to mention the chance of rain for everyone in southeast Nebraska, but the best chance of rain right along the front. So that does mean looks like the Lincoln area has the best opportunity of seeing some rain. Again, since it's mostly going to be showers, shouldn't be a nightmare of a homebound commute, but be aware that there's a decent chance you'll have to use those windshield wipers. Front looks to be rolling into the Omaha Council Bluffs area right around 7, 8 o'clock this evening. And look how those temperatures coming down once the front arrives. And again, breezy along the front as well. I do think the front will be clear of us 11 o'clock this evening. And notice once the front clears us, the rain chance really going down. So it's right along the front that's our best opportunity of seeing rain. And then really the rain chance petering out. It doesn't completely go away. I do have to mention, especially for the early morning hours on Wednesday, still the opportunity for a few stray showers. And I will say the best chance could be the eastern part of the area. It's going to be very difficult if you're in places like Columbus and York to see any showers Wednesday morning. You might want to keep the chance in there just in case the rain tries to linger a little bit longer. Best chance going to be early morning hours. Really small chance for the late morning, but there's a much better chance we're going to be dry. And I do think once we get into the afternoon on Wednesday, that is it for the rain chance. As far as high temperatures go on Wednesday, we'll be feeling the effects of this cold front. Basically, this front is going to cool us back down to normal for this time of year. Notice high temperatures for Wednesday afternoon in the low to mid 70s, which is right where we should be for this time of year. Once again, it's going to get breezy in the afternoon. Not quite as breezy as this afternoon, but I still think gusts are going to reach around 20 miles per hour in the afternoon. Now, we're actually getting another cold front early Thursday morning, and that one looks stronger. It's going to cool us down even more, but it doesn't look like it's going to bring us any rain.